Number 1. 1990 Chevrolet 2500, price $8,995, with 172,000 miles and an automatic transmission. The truck features a red exterior paired with a burgundy interior. The front windshield is in good condition, and the paint remains in great shape overall. The tires are slightly worn but still retain approximately 95% of their tread life. The interior has been very well maintained and is exceptionally clean, matching the exterior, which has also been kept in excellent condition. The engine runs properly with no known issues, and the automatic transmission shifts very smoothly. The brakes are in great condition, and the battery is in excellent working order. Additionally, the vehicle was previously owned by a non-smoker, contributing to its clean and well-preserved interior. Number 2. 1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, well-kept full-size pickup powered by a 5.7L V8 OHV gasoline engine mated to an automatic transmission. The truck has 257,000 miles and comes in a silver exterior complemented by a beige interior, giving it a classic and clean appearance. It is equipped with rear-wheel drive along with 4x4 capability, making it suitable for both daily driving and light off-road or work use. This vehicle has a clean title and has had only one owner, and it is a Washington state truck, which adds to its desirability. It has recently received important maintenance, including new spark plugs, spark plug wires, distributor cap, and rotor. In addition, the engine oil and filter have been changed, and a new air filter and battery have been installed. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 represents a reliable and well-maintained truck with strong V8 performance and documented recent service. Number 3. 1992 Ford F150, price $7,500, powered by a 5.0L V8 OHV engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It runs on gasoline and has 153,000 miles on the odometer. The truck features a white exterior with a blue interior and has been repainted at some point in its life. Recently completed maintenance includes new spark plugs, spark plug wires, cap and rotor, fresh engine oil and filter, a new air filter, upper radiator hose, engine coolant, and a new battery. It is also equipped with a rough country lift kit and Firestone destination tires, giving it an upgraded stance and improved road presence. Overall, this F-150 offers a classic V8 setup with solid recent maintenance and tasteful upgrades, making it a dependable and appealing full-size pickup. Number 4. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000, with approximately 175,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior. The title is in hand. Considering its age, the truck runs fairly well. The only known issue is that when the accelerator pedal is pressed all the way down, the engine may hesitate and feel like it wants to cut out, although it has never completely stalled and quickly returns to running normally. There is also a noticeable squeaking noise, likely caused by a pulley that is starting to wear out. Aside from these minor concerns, the truck has been reliable, performs well for its age, and has consistently proven to be a dependable vehicle. Number 5. 2000 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000, powered by a 5.7L gasoline engine paired with a 4L80E automatic transmission and has only 129,000 miles, which is considered low for its age. The truck features a red exterior with a gray interior and has been owned for the past couple of years. During that time, the oil pan, several brake lines, and the battery have been replaced, with the battery being brand new as of January this year. The engine runs very strong and starts right up even after sitting for about a month. All major comforts and functions are in working order, including air conditioning, heater, and cruise control. As a Wisconsin truck, it does have rust typical for vehicles from that area. The only known issue is a small battery drain. Number 6. 1998 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,850, equipped with an automatic transmission and has 222,000 miles on the odometer. It features a clean white exterior combined with a blue interior, giving it a classic and well-maintained appearance. The truck runs and drives very well, performing smoothly and reliably, making it suitable for daily driving or light work use. It comes with a clean title and is in good overall mechanical condition for its age. An upgraded radio system with Bluetooth connectivity has been installed, adding modern convenience for music and hands-free use. While the truck is a strong runner and drives as it should, it will need some minor attention, which is expected for a vehicle with this mileage. Number 7. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, This truck has 145,000 original miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a gray interior. The truck is used as a daily driver for commuting to and from work, proving its reliability and drivability. It is equipped with brand new tires and recently had the transmission rebuilt, which was replaced with a 2-year warranty for added peace of mind. Although the paint on the hood and tailgate shows some cosmetic wear, the rest of the body remains in excellent condition and is completely rust-free. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 is a solid, dependable truck with strong mechanicals and a clean body, making it a great option for daily use or a dependable work truck. Number 8. 1968 Chevrolet C10, price $5,000. It features an OBS-style stepside bed paired with a dually rear end, giving it a bold and unique stance. Power comes from a Cadillac 500 engine, equipped with a brand new Edelbrock 1411 carburetor, and the truck sits on Alcoa wheels. It runs and drives, but still needs a few finishing touches, such as wiring up the lights and completing the door poppers. The current owner is frequently on the road for work and doesn't have the time to finish the project, so it's being offered to someone who can give it the attention it deserves. This is a super custom, true one of one C10 that you won't see anywhere else, and the title is in hand. Number 9. 1993 Ford F250, price $3,500, powered by a gasoline 460 V8 engine, paired with a ZF 5-speed manual transmission in a 2WD configuration. The truck features a white exterior complemented by a tan interior, giving it a classic and clean appearance. Originally from Iowa, it does show some rust consistent with its age and region, but it remains a solid and usable truck. The vehicle runs and drives well overall, and the transmission shifts smoothly with no grinding or pop-outs, indicating a strong and reliable drivetrain. It is equipped with an automatic mileage of 120,000 miles, making it a relatively low-mile example for its year. There is an intermittent engine misfire that will need to be addressed by the next owner, but aside from that issue, the truck performs as expected. Number 10. 1979 Ford F150, price $5,700, well-maintained truck with 103,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with a reliable 300 CI inline-6 gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and locking front hubs. The truck features a red exterior with a black interior and has spent its entire life as a dry, local vehicle, contributing to its excellent overall condition. It runs well and has received many newer replacement parts over the years. The body is very solid with minimal rust, and all glass is in good condition. The interior remains clean and presentable, with the seat in good shape. All headlights and taillights function properly, and the truck is complete and intact. It comes with a clean Washington title in hand, making it a dependable and honest classic pickup.